A very great morning, students. Today we are going to start exercise 3C based on the topic shortcut method for squaring a number. From the chapter name is square and square roots. There are the two different methods for finding the squaring of a given number. Yes, these two methods are, method 1 is by column method. And the second method is by diagonal method. There are two methods. With the help of these two methods, we can find out easily the square of a number. हम इन दो मेथड की हेल्प से किसी भी नंबर का स्क्वायर इजीली फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. Yes, let's start from the first method. Your first method is by column method. Your first shortcut method for squaring a number is by column method. Let's take an example to clear this method. Find out square of 47 by column method. You have a two-digit number that is 47. आपके पास टू डिजिट नंबर गिवन है that is 47. Your ones digit is 7 and your tens digit is 4. You have a two-digit number that is 47 and you have to find the square of 47 by column method. There is two-digit number 47, your ones digit is 7 and tens digit is 4. Take the value of the tens digit that is equals to a and the value of the a is 4. Ones digit is 7. Give the name ones digit to b that is equals to 7. आपके पास टू डिजिट नंबर गिवन है 47. जो टेंस डिजिट है उसे क्या नेम दे देंगे? a. And ones digit name is b and the value of the b is equals to 7. Now, as the name is suggest by the column method, जैसे कि हमें name suggest किया गया है by column method for find out the square of the given number. So we will make 3 columns. First, second and third. आपने कितने कॉलम बनाने हैं? 3 कॉलम बनाने हैं. And write as a square on first column, 2 multiply a multiply b on second column and b square on third column. As we know that the value of the a is 4. At the place of the a, we can write 4. 4 square is equals to 60. Same as 2 multiply value of the a is 4 and the value of the b is 7. That is equals to 56. And your third column b, value of the b is 7. 7 square is equals to 49. I am again repeating these 3 steps. You have a given number 47 and you have to find out the square of 47 by column method. You have 2-digit number. Your 1st digit is 7 and your 10th digit is 4. Give the value of the 1st digit. Give the name, the value of the 1st digit, that is b. b is equals to 7 and 10th digit is equals to a and the value of the a will be 4. Now we will make 3 columns. 1, 2, 3. हमें कितने कॉलम बनाने हैं? 3 कॉलम बनाने हैं. In the first column, you will write a square and the second column, you will write 2 multiply a multiply b and in the third column, you will write b square. As we know that the value of the a is 4, then 4 square is equals to 16. 2 multiply a multiply b, value of the a is 4 and the value of the b is 7, that is equals to 56. And the third column is b square, value of the b is 7, 7 square is equals to 49. You have 3 columns, first, second and third. Value of the first column is 16. Value of the second column is 56. And value of the third column is 49. Start from the third column. Circle on 1st digit. आपने 1st digit पर सर्कल करना है. The remaining digit is 10th digit and 10th digit over carry over to the second column, that is equals to 60. Again circle on the 1st digit and the 10th digit, carry over the first column, that is equals to 22. आपने क्या करना है, जो भी आपके पास थर्ड कॉलम गिवन होगी, आपने उसके 1st डिजिट को सर्कल करना है और जो रिमेनिंग डिजिट होगी उसकी क्या दे देनी है, कैरी टू द सेकेंड कॉलम, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 60. अगेन circle on the 1st digit and carry over the 10th digit to the first column. 16 plus 6 is equals to 22. 22 is the last digit and circle on it. So, the square of 47 will be equals to, you will write the circle digits. Your first circle digit is, or the number is 22. from the second column, the circle digit is 0, and from the third column, the circle digit is 9. So the square of 47 is equals to 2209. Let's take one more example for the column method that is 86, and we have to find out the square of 86 by column method. Again, we have two digit number. Your ones digit is 6 and tens digit is 8. Give the name of the tens digit is equals to A, and the value of the A is 8. Again, give the name of the ones digit is B, and the value of the B is equals to 6. Now we will make the columns. And how many columns we will make? 3 columns. 1, 2, 3. And at the place of the first column, we will write A square, and at the place of the second column, we will write 2 multiply A multiply B, and at the place of the third column, we will write B square. Value of the A is 8. So 8 square is equals to 64. 2 multiply 8 multiply 6. 2 6 are 12. 12 8s are 96. And the value of the B is 6 square, that is equals to 36. The value of the first column is 64. Value of the second column is 96. And the value of the third column is 36. Now, start from the third column. Circle on the ones digit. Your ones digit is 6, and give carry of the tens digit over second column. And your second column will be 99. Again, circle on the first digit and carry tens digit over the first column. That is equals to 73. The required number is from the first column, the circle digit is 73. From the second column, the circle digit is 9, and from the third column, the circle digit is 6. So the square of 86 is 7396. Then the value of the square of 86 is 7396. Now your second method for the squaring of a number is by diagonal method. By diagonal method. Let's take an example to clear this method. Find out square of the given number 39. We have a given number 39 and we have to find out the square of 39 by diagonal method. As the name is suggests, by the diagonal method, we will draw the diagonals of the given figure. So your first step is draw a square. सबसे पहले आप क्या ड्रॉ करेंगे? एक स्क्वायर ड्रॉ करेंगे. And after that, divide square into 4 sub-squares. We will divide this square by 4 sub-squares. हम एक स्क्वायर को कितने पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर देंगे? 4 स्क्वायर्स के पार्ट में डिवाइड कर देंगे. आफ्टर दैट वी विल मेक द डायगोनल. उसके बाद हम क्या ड्रॉ करेंगे? वी विल ड्रॉ द डायगोनल. देयर इज 3 डायगोनल्स, 1 2 3. After that we have a given number 39. You will write 39 top and left of the given square. आपके पास जो भी गिवन नंबर होगा 39 है जैसे हमारा, उसे टॉप पे एंड लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ दिस गिवन स्क्वायर. You will write 39 at the top and the left side of the given square. Now we will take product from the left side. Your first digit is 3. You will take product of 3 by 3 and by 9. अब जो गिवन नंबर है आपका लेफ्ट साइड में, फर्स्ट डिजिट क्या है? 3. You will multiply firstly 3 by 3. That is equals to 3 multiply 3 equals to 9. But we have the two places below the diagonal and above the diagonal. If we have one digit number, अगर हमें क्या मिलता है? 1 डिजिट नंबर मिलता है, then we will write the number, the first digit below the diagonal. Your required number is 9. You will write 9 below the diagonal and above the diagonal you will write 0. After that we will multiply 3 by 9. 3 multiply 9 is 27. So you will write 27. Your 1st digit will be below the diagonal and 10th digit will be above the diagonal. Now your next digit is 9. You will multiply 9 by 3. 9 3 the 27. You will write 27. 7 below the diagonal and 2 above the diagonal. Again we will multiply 9 by 9. It will be equals to 81. After that, we will start from below of the diagonal. Your first diagonal the below digit is 1. You will write 1 at the place of below the diagonal. Now above the diagonal, above the first diagonal, there are 3 digits, 7, 8 and 7. We will take the sum of all these 3 digits. That is equals to 22. Again, above the second diagonal, we have 3 digits, 2, 9 and 2. We will take the sum of these 3 digits, that is equals to 13. And above the third diagonal, we have 1 digit, that is 0. We have 3 diagonal, 1, 2, 3. Start from below of the diagonal. Below of the diagonal, there is 1 digit only. You will write 1 here. Above the diagonal, you have 3 digits. आपके पास 3 digits है. You will take the sum of all these 3 digits. Again, above the second diagonal, we have 3 digits, 2, 9 and 2. We will take the sum of these 3 digits, that is equals to 13. Now, above the third diagonal, there is 1 digit, that is equals to 0. Same as like the first method, circle on the ones digit. वंस डिजिट पे आपने क्या करना है, सर्कल करना है. एंड देयर इज नो टेंस डिजिट. आपके पास कोई भी टेंस डिजिट नहीं है. नाउ कमिंग ऑन द सेकेंड कॉलम, अगेन सर्कल ऑन द वंस डिजिट. नाउ वी हैव टेंस डिजिट, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 2. गिव द कैरी to the third column of the given diagonal, that is 2. 13 plus 2 equals to 15. Again, circle on the ones digit. Now your tens digit is 1. Give carry to the 0. Then 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. Circle on the last digit. So, the square of the 39 will be, you will write the digits of the circle. Your first digit is 1, your second digit is 5, your third digit is 2, and your fourth digit is 1. So the square of 39 is 1529. I am repeating again this question. we have to find out the square of 39 by diagonal method. Your first step will be you will draw a square. सबसे पहले आप क्या ड्रॉ करेंगे? एक square. After that you will divide the square into 4 sub-squares. हम square को 4 sub-squares में divide कर देंगे. After that we will make the diagonal. Now there will be 3 diagonals. आपके पास कितने diagonals हो गए? 3 diagonals. You will write the given number at the top and the left side of the square. आपने जो भी आपको गिवन नंबर है 39 उसे टॉप पे और लेफ्ट साइड में लिखना है स्क्वायर के. योर फर्स्ट डिजिट इज 3. नाउ यू विल मल्टीप्लाई 3 by 3. The given number is 9. You will write 9 below the diagonal and above the diagonal you will write 0. 3 9s are 27. Now your next digit is 9. Again multiply 9 by 3. 9 3s are 27 and 9 9s are 81. Now start from the below of the diagonal. Your digit is 1. Above the first diagonal there are 3 digits. You will take the sum of these 3 digits. Again above the next diagonal there is 3 digits, 2, 9 and 2. You will take the sum of these 3 digits which is equals to 13. And above the last diagonal there is 1 digit that is equals to 0. Applying the rule of the first method, circle on the first digit or the ones digit, that is 1. There is no digit before the 1. So coming on the next digit, that is equals to 22. Again circle on the ones digit and the another digit is 2. You will get carry of the 2 to the 13. 2 की कैरी हम किस में दे देंगे? 13 में. It will be equals to 15. Again circle on the first digit and the remaining digit is 1. Give carry 1 to the 0. It will be equals to 1. So the required number is 1521. That is the square of the given number 39. So the square of the 39 is 1521. I hope students you have understood these two methods. With the help of these two methods you can solve your exercise 3rd C. Thank you and have a nice day.